engine is probably not the first thing that comes to mind when you think eco-friendly cars. This is the Blade, a car that's made in a very different way to other vehicles. Being environmentally friendly starts long before it hits the road.
What we've tried to do is dematerialize auto manufacturing, meaning radically reduce the materials and energy that go into a car.
The Blade claims to be the first supercar made from 3D printed components. The car took just 8 months from design to production, whereas traditional car manufacturing takes several years. With a 700 horsepower 4-cylinder engine, it can hit 60 miles an hour in just 2.2 seconds.
An exciting future is emerging, and it's all to do with one fast-changing technology: 3D printing. First used primarily for prototypes and models, the technology has come a long way since its humble beginnings. And with plunging costs and a growing array of printable materials, 3D printing is slowly but surely changing one aspect of our lives: clothes. Scan it, print it, wear it. The future of fashion looks set to be 3D.
So what can be 3D printed? Basically anything you want. Basically any solid object you can print out. Like see here on the screen, you can see sunglasses, a screw, a milk jug, a boat propeller. Pretty much any solid object you can print out, which is awesome.